Good day, girlfriend, and welcome into June. It is an extremely busy time for me. However, I'm going to try my best to post a video every day for June because it's my birthday month. Even though my birthday is the 29th, I got a whole month to go. So it is Sunday, June 2nd, and not a lot getting done today. Well, I am cooking. I have been so busy on the go, in and out of hospitals and things like that. I'll explain later that I have not been eating right. I've been eating out, eating at the hospital, eating on the go, and even though I have not gained any weight, I just don't. I got to get right. So what I'm doing is meal prepping a couple meals, probably about 2 or 3 meals for me to have to go because it's still a very busy time for me and everything. So that's what I'm doing today. And yeah, I'm a little tired, but it's going to be all right. Everything is good. We're thanking God for everything that has transpired, thanking Him anyway, in spite of, okay? So I just want to come in and say, hey, girl, welcome to June. We about to see what we can get done around these parts, and I'll probably let you see some of what I'm cooking later on, okay? The first meal I'm cooking is sauteed green beans with some red onion and chicken leg quarters. So that's the first meal that I'm cooking today. Chicken tenderloins. Some rice for the bowl I'm going to be making. Brownie hamburger for spaghetti squash. And chicken tenderloins done. Just waiting. So we are done. We have a few days worth of meals. I have a chicken bowl, which is chicken, black beans, corn, rice, and like red onions and some like green onions. We have spaghetti squash, 2 of those, and then we have one, it's like a leg thigh combo and green beans. So this will hold me over for a few days to kind of keep me on track for my meals since I've been so busy, trying to stay focused on my food. It has been I guess a productive day if you look at it from a standpoint of I did get to do a lot of meal prep today. I didn't do a whole lot extra because I just didn't. I'm a little bit tired. When I tell you, hold on. I did a video a few weeks ago, and it's called Life is Really Lifing Right Now. Life is lifing so hard right now. Whew, my son was in a car accident, broke his neck in 2 places, and dislocated his shoulder. We got a call that Chris' uncle, his favorite uncle, probably, I think it's his only uncle left living, his daddy brother, he actually was in the hospital the week Chris was in the hospital, but Chris just being sick, and he was in Chapel Hill like an hour away, and he hadn't been able to make that run. So yesterday he came in, he was like, can you take me to see see Uncle Charles? So I was exhausted because it's like an hour away, and I was like, oh my God. And plus I had to go check on DeMarcus, but I took him. I stayed at the hospital with DeMarcus the whole week. This week he was in the hospital all this week. He finally came home, but he's in so much pain he may have to go back. So back to his uncle. Got a call. His uncle was, his aunt texted him, was like, you need to come and see him. He's not doing well. So we go see Uncle Charles yesterday. Got home probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half after we got home. Maybe about an hour and a half after we got home. But we had been to the hospital anyway, later on that evening. Got a call, he died. a few hours after we left. Just got a call. My mom is being rushed to the hospital. I don't know what is going on with her. Something about her calcium is way too high. She's in A field, but she's staying in A field. My mom played with her medicine so bad. I don't know. But I don't have the mental capacity to go to the hospital. I just can't. I can't do it. I'm so tired, and I probably look tired. I'm exhausted. I cannot. Every time I try to go to sleep, phone is ringing about something all the time. And I haven't really had any sleep for caring for somebody, doing something. Chris can't drive right now, so I have to drive him where he needs to go, which is not many places, but I don't mind, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I gotta figure out something with keeping DeMarcus' kids. My mom usually keeps them, but she being sick lately, she hadn't been able to keep them, and he can't keep them. He has a neck brace, and he's been in a lot of pain. He's talking about going back to the hospital because he's been in so much pain. And my mom can't keep them. So I have a lot going on. That was one reason why I went on a meal prep today, because the way life is life right now for me, there's no telling when I might have to run somewhere. It's just no telling. And I haven't been taking care of myself. And I know that I need to take care of me. That's one of the things. I haven't been working out because I have been running, tired, exhausted, staying at hospitals for a week at a time. And I realized I haven't been taking care of myself. So I felt like at least if I meal prep, I have, of course I can still have my salads, but I'm talking about meal prepping, like having some actual meals available to me. Then I could just fill in, something, that don't take that long somewhere else. Oh, I did forget to add in, I'm going to insert this. While my son was in the hospital on Thursday, because he went on Sunday night, he was there. My grandmother was admitted on Wednesday. Had some stuff going on with her. Got a call Thursday. I'm upstairs with him. They were taking her into emergency surgery. And something about her, what was it? Her bowels or something were constricted somewhere, child. So they had to take her into emergency surgery, do an emergency surgery on her. She's 91, I think. So yeah, my husband, son, mother, grandmother, and his uncle. Hey, it come in clusters, and I sure hope. I don't want to wish nothing on nobody, but I sure be glad when my time is up. Because boy, I tell you the truth. I be glad when my time is up, because it has been a time. Like, so for real. So I just wanted to insert that little part because I did forget about that. And yeah. Woo. I did spend the day doing that. And I'm glad I did, because Lord, I don't know what life is gonna bring for me. I have to go to the doctor tomorrow for myself. Just a follow-up visit. Tuesday I gotta get my hair done. I'm going to go get my hair done. So I hope everybody is good for Tuesday, and then I'll be available for the rest of the week. But I just realized that I haven't been taking care of me. I'm exhausted. This too shall pass. I know it will. It's just a season, The season that I'm in is it's that season. We all go through them, and it's okay. It's going to be all right. I still have the faith. I'm still encouraged. I know that God is still good. I wanted to go to church today, but I was just exhausted today. And I'm so tired. I haven't even put up my Mother's Day gifts. I have a lot of stuff that's sitting. I'm looking in that corner because there's a lot of stuff in that corner that I just haven't had time to put up. Life has been so busy that I haven't even opened my Mother's Day gifts, really. It's just a lot going on, but It's good. It's all good. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. Um, just little, bumps in the road, child, but it's gonna be okay. I gotta come. Oh, I gotta come back tomorrow. Ooh, blow dry my hair out, child. Wash, deep condition, blow dry my hair, and get ready for these braids. I'm kind of glad for these braids because the way things are going right now, child. When I was at the hospital staying, I'm trying with DeMarcus. I'm trying to think, and with Chris. I think I had my hair in a wrap the whole time. Chris is there for like a week. Marcus is there for a week. And I stayed. The good thing about Chris is that he was near the house, so I could come back home, take a shower, change clothes, go back. The Marcus is a good distance away, so I couldn't. I had to actually have clothes and stay there. Um, the first night my daughter bought me, it was so cute. She hooked me up though, child. She bought me enough for 2 days. She had some new panties and she's like, I got some new panties. Mine ain't never worn. It was so cute. She bought me toothpaste, toothbrushes. Girl, she hooked me. She bought everything, honey. She bought me back. She's like, I got you some stuff. I'm so glad I lost weight. I lost weight so I could wear her stuff. She was like, this stuff is some of it. She said, these pants is a little too small for me, so I know you could wear them. It was so cute though. She hooked me up. I was really grateful for that because I came home a couple of days because I had to come check on Chris because he's not at the point that he really needs to be left alone, for a long time by himself. So it's been interesting, girl. And it's been interesting. And we'll talk more about it. I want these vlogs to be upbeat and happy and I'm out and about and doing stuff. But girl, vlogs should reflect your life. And right now, because life is not, I'm sharing in the midst of my trials and what I'm going through because life is not always up and out and brunches and lunches and dinners and life can be life in sometimes and you know we just need sometimes the encouragement to just go on and keep on going, you know what I'm saying, like keep on going. But I realized I gotta take care of myself and I haven't been able to turn the phone off because it's so much going on with sickness here, illnesses there, and stuff like that. And my phone stayed blowing up. A text message, a call, or something all day and night. So I really can't, sometimes I look at the phone, I might not answer it if I'm asleep, and I'll be like, I'll call when I get up. And I feel like if it's an emergency, if they keep calling, which sometimes it happens, then I'll pick up. But yeah, my son, he wanted to get out of the hospital before it's time, and he's paying for it because he cannot get that pain under control. And the doctor didn't really want to release him. But, it's a lesson in it all. Sometimes we gotta listen to the doctor. I don't know what is up with men where they feel like they don't have to listen to the doctors. They hate hospitals. Dang it, they don't want to be in the hospitals. They have a fit when they got to stay. Stay in that hospital till the doctor tell you it's time to go. And he was adamant about going home. And the doctor was, basically telling him that he didn't think he didn't think he was ready to go home. But because he only has so much medicine to go home with, and he's found out the hard way because the medicine he has is not taking, he can't get that pain under control. But experience is the best teacher, don't you know? So I'm not, my mom is going to the hospital tonight. Like they're transporting her. You know how you had like those little small hospitals? That's where she went to. But they don't have so they're transporting her to the big hospital. And I can't go. I'm exhausted. I swear I can't make that drive today. It's probably like 40 minutes, but I just can't go. I can't. Somebody else gotta go. Girl, my eye is killing me. I don't know if my allergies been adding up. They're swollen. This one hurts so bad. Oh my God, it's been itching. It hurts. Seems like I got something in it, and I don't know. The last month, my eyes have been giving me a fit. Oh, and I don't know if it's tension. Like around this eye, like all up in here, the temple has been so like a pain, a throbbing pain, and then just kind of tender. And I read it could be cluster headaches, but good thing I go to the doctor tomorrow so I can talk to him about it tomorrow. Um, and I have been, having headaches, my eyes irritate. I think that's probably allergies. I don't know. But anywho, let me get off of here. Just want to come on in today's vlog, and I'm encouraged. I'm okay. It's just a lot going on right now, and I just gotta adjust. But it'll be all right. Stay encouraged. I plan to stay encouraged, and I will see you tomorrow back here.